Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Spotify to Waze. So connecting Spotify to Waze lets you control your music without leaving the navigation screen, so you can play, pause, skip, or change songs while following your routes. So at first you only need to open Waze on your phone and make sure you are signed in, and just then start to drive or open the navigation screen and look for the music notes or audio icon on the map. Tap it to open Waze's audio controls right then, or you can just go to the menu that's located at the top left corner. It's something like 3 lines or a profile icon, and then just go with the settings or the settings option that you can see. It's the third one right here. So tap it and then just scroll until you can see the audio player under the driving preferences section. Right, so once you tap it, you will find your apps here and more apps right here. So you'll need just to find Spotify and then just go and click on install. Right, and that's only if Spotify is not already connected, right? So as I told you, you will need to tap Spotify from the list of the available music apps. So Waze may ask you then to authorize the connection and follow the on-screen instructions and sign in to your Spotify account if requested, and allow the unnecessary permissions so Waze can communicate with Spotify. And once connected, you can return to the Waze navigation screen and tap the music icon again and select Spotify. You should now or then see basic Spotify controls such as play, pause, previous, and next, and you can also open Spotify playlists or other available music options depending on your device and account. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.